Breakfast is arguably the most important meal of the day. There is some debate about whether it should be the heaviest or the lightest meal of the day, but almost every health expert seems to agree on one point. One must never skip breakfast. This is one of the foremost rules for good health and one that you must unfailingly follow, especially if you want to lose weight. Consuming a healthy breakfast is important to regulate your blood sugar level and to keep you from overeating during lunch, besides keeping your energy levels up. However, eating a good quality breakfast is as important as never skipping it, and that might be a little more difficult to achieve than you thought. This is because there is a world of options available to us as breakfast foods, and we often get confused as to which one is the best and the healthiest for weight loss. There are a couple of factors that contribute towards belly fat, and you need a combination of good diet and exercise to get rid of the extra pounds. So cornflakes are one of the most popular breakfasts around the world, and with good reason. They are easily available, convenient, ready to eat and filling. Some people consume cornflakes for breakfast every single day. They can be eaten with milk and topped with fresh fruits, dry fruits or nuts. They are easy to digest and hence may even pass off as healthy. But are they really good for weight loss? Or is it time for you to ditch cornflakes and switch to a healthier breakfast option? Although cornflakes may seem to be a great breakfast option, they are not very healthy as their nutritional profile doesn't qualify it for a healthy breakfast food. The flakes may be low in fat, but they make up for that in the amount of sugar present in them, making them unhealthy for daily consumption. Cornflakes contain high levels of sugar in the form of high fructose corn syrup. This means they have a low glycemic index value, making them not at all appropriate for daily consumption, and for diabetic patients not at all. Experts suggest that consuming high sugar food for breakfast promote weight gain instead of weight loss, and they also result in insulin resistance in the body, leading to diabetes. And high levels of sugar in the blood drive the level of insulin to go up, which in turn results in the storage of fat in the cell, and this translates to weight gain. So basically in this chart I have made a general analysis of different breakfast options that we generally have, and for one serving I have calculated the nutrition that we get for 25 grams, which is one serving. So basically in this chart I have compared calorie, protein, fat, fiber and carbohydrate. So coming to the first column, which is digestive biscuit. So 25 grams of digestive biscuit gives you 120 kilocalories. When compared to cornflakes, they have 95 calories per serving, besan 82.25, suji provides 83.25, atta and ragi even less, which is 80 calories per serving. Now coming to protein. So the protein that we get from digestive biscuit, one serving is 2 grams, from cornflakes 1.6 gram, from besan 5.38. So just imagine, it is almost more than the double of what we get from the digestive biscuits and cornflakes. Now next is suji. So suji gives 2.84, atta and ragi, atta it is 2.64, ragi 1.79. Now seeing the fat. So the digestive biscuit provides us 4.7 grams of fat, cornflakes 0.25. So although we can see in this chart that cornflakes fat content is less, but it is compensated by the high amounts of sugar added in cornflakes. Now the besan fat content is 1.32 grams per serving, and it is obviously more than cornflakes, but the fat content is definitely of a better quality. Then suji provides you 0.18 gram fat per serving, atta 0.38 gram, ragi 0.4. Now coming to the fiber, the most important thing for which we purchase digestive biscuits and sort of fiber products available in the market. So as you can see from the chart, the fiber content of the digestive biscuit is 2.4, cornflakes it is 0.66, which is very low in fiber. Now as compared to besan, which gives 3.78 grams of fiber with the exactly same amount of serving as compared to the digestive biscuits. So what would you opt for, besan chilla or digestive biscuits? Okay, I think you have already decided. Now let's see the fiber of semolina. It is 2.43 and atta 2.84, ragi 2.79. So as compared to the digestive biscuit, Clearly you can see suji, atta, ragi, all these have more fiber content per serving as compared to digestive biscuits. So I really hope that you get a better idea of what you should switch to for a healthier breakfast options, and I hope you understand when I say healthier breakfast options, you know what I mean. Talking about the carbohydrate, so 25 grams of digestive biscuit gives you 17.5 grams of carbohydrate, cornflakes 21.75 grams of carbohydrate, besan 11.68, which is much lower as compared to the digestive biscuits and cornflakes. Then suji again gives 17 grams of carbohydrate, which is 0.5 less than and much less than the cornflakes carbohydrates. Again, atta and ragi have lesser quantities of carbohydrate as compared to the digestive biscuits and cornflakes. Not only this, even if you add your cornflakes to the milk and you have it, it might increase the protein content which the milk contains. But many people start their morning with digestive biscuits and a cup of tea, which is so unhealthy. But on the other hand, when we make a besan chilla, we add so many fresh vegetables to it, making it even more healthy. So from the chart we already saw that one serving of besan gives 3.78 grams of fiber, and by adding to it vegetables we make it more fiber rich. Similarly, when we make a suji upma, we add all the seasonal vegetables like onions, peas, and we can even add soya chunks to it, making it super protein rich, or maybe paneer cubes, whatever you like. So the way we prepare these homemade breakfast recipes in a way makes them more healthy. And if you have chapati with seasonal sabzi and one bowl of curd, again it is much better option as compared to tea and digestive biscuits or cornflakes. And besides, when you have tea along with your breakfast, so it always affects your nutritional absorption because of the tannins present in the tea. So guys, whenever you have, if you want to have tea, generally it's not recommended, but you can keep a gap of 45 to 1 hour after your meals. So friends, I just want to suggest you guys that you have good health in your kitchen. You do not need to open the packaged and processed food. So please start your day with healthy breakfast options. Do not start your day with a cup of tea. Please do not start your day with a cup of tea. It's really going to affect your health very bad in the long run. So you can have healthier breakfast options like oats, millets, atta, dalia, besan, and you can easily make roti, or you can make chilla, and also you can make dhokla out of the besan, because these are very healthy options and yes, low glycemic index as compared to the processed food. Besides these, all the packaged food have so much of harmful preservatives and chemicals that may affect your health. Friends, I hope you found this video useful. If you like it, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and keep sharing. Bye bye.